Hi friends, thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel. We're back with the Irish Crochet Motif book and we're working on pattern 28 today, which looks something like this. The motif looks something like this when it's made. It is made using padding cord. Now, if you'd like an in-depth video explaining why padding cord is used, how to use it, there is a video listed within this playlist. Go and check that out, where I explain padding cord in a lot more detail. I'm using a 3.5mm crochet hook for this project, and my overlay colour is different to the padding cord that I'm using. This is because I want you to see what I'm doing. Ideally, your padding cord and your overlay yarn are going to be the same colour. That's how padding cord is used. I have been getting a lot of questions about the book. I am going to link in where I buy the book from. You can get it from Vinted or eBay. This is only applicable to you if you live in the UK. So I'm going to pop that in on the comments and just pin it. So go and check that out if you're interested in buying the book. If you really want it, buy it. Alternatively, just go ahead, subscribe to my channel. I'm planning on covering the entire book. We're at Motif 28 so far. And if this video is helpful for you, please like, comment and subscribe. It just helps other crocheters find my videos. Let's get into it. So to start off with, we're going to grab our padding cord and we're going to grab our overlay yarn. I'm going to go through the padding cord and just pull through my overlay yarn like that. I'll do that once more, just so that you can see what I'm doing. So I've gone through the padding cord and I've pulled through my overlay yarn like that. So I've literally just looped it through. Now I'm going to do 5 single crochets around the padding cord. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Next we need to turn a corner. So we're going to chain 3 and we're going to drop 5 single crochets again. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chain 3 to turn a corner again. And again we're going to do 5 single crochet back down. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we have this corner here. So what we now need to do is we need to slip stitch where we started. Do not forget your padding cord. You're taking it with you and slip stitching around it like that. We're going to repeat this pattern on the padding cord another 3 times. So I'll do one more with you, or I'll speed up. So I've got 2, 3, 4, 5, chain 3, 5 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, turn the corner, 1, 2, 3, 5 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again we're going to slip stitch to the base, taking the padding cord with us. There we go. So we've got two almost petals here. We need to make another 2. 3, 4, 5, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and slip stitch, taking the padding cord with us. And now I'm gonna drop the last one, and I am gonna speed that up because I'm literally doing the same thing here. 1, 2. Slip stitch back into the base, very much taking the padding cord with me. So I have 4 corners here, and that is what the pattern is supposed to look like so. And to complete the motif, you will snip off your yarn, get a thread, get a darning needle, and tuck this into the work. I'm not going to demonstrate that for you because I'm only making these motifs just for demonstration purposes, and I don't want to waste any yarn. I hope that this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and have a blessed day. Bye bye.